Hey everyone, welcome to the next part of my Lionel Jonson painting tutorials. Today we'll be talking about the shiniest part of the model, the gold. We start with the basic layer of Retributor armor on all the parts that are gonna be golden. Since there is at least some gold on almost every part of the model, it's important to have a good approach to the painting of it. By the way, if you want to dive deeper into certain topics of miniature painting, make sure to check out my Patreon page. There you'll find in-depth tutorials about different painting techniques and their application. Metallic paints are great in mimicking the shininess of metals. However, we need to work with a good amount of contrast and highlighting to make it look like realistic metal. This is where the shades come in. We mix Seraphim Sepia and Snakebite Leather to create a matching shade for our gold. We use it more like a soft shade, meaning it's pretty thinned down and applied gently to broader surfaces to tone them down and create delicate shadows. I tend to leave out the most raised areas of the surfaces and concentrate more on the recesses and the surrounding surfaces. For the recesses themselves, we use Rhinox hide as a deep shade, or line shade, or even deep line shade. This step is very crucial for the contrast I mentioned earlier. We need good brush control and patience to draw along all the crevices to create those very important shadows. After the shadings are done, we move on to tidying up the flat and raised areas with a glaze made out of Retributor armor mixed with a little bit of water. This is basically to free the gold from the dullness the shades may have created on areas we want to be brighter and shinier. Now it's time for highlighting. For the first layer we mix Retributor armor with Liberator gold to create a smooth transition into the highlighted parts. These are also called chunky highlights, since the highlighted area is bigger than a highlight would usually be. continue to highlight with pure Liberator Gold to brighten up the edges. As you can tell, we are leaning towards the middle of the highlighted areas more with this paint. When we are satisfied with the result, we mix Liberator Gold with Stormhost Silver to create an even brighter gold. As you'd probably expect, we are moving even more towards the middle of the edges. Our final step will be a fine edge and some dot highlights of pure Stormhost Silver. After the pure Stormhost Silver is settled, we are finished with painting the gold parts of Lionel Jonson's armor and his watches in the dark. Thank you everyone for watching, and please subscribe to the channel to stay informed about the upcoming videos. Also, if you enjoyed this clip, please feel free to leave a like to help my channel grow. Thank you very much.